Good day everyone, it's me again Sophia. Today I'm going to teach you on how you're going to beautify, how you're going to contour your eyebrow in a fast and easiest way. So I have three sets of an eyebrow which I actually use. So it's up to you guys. Anything that is available in your home, in your makeup kit, you can use that. So you can use an eyebrow with a brush. This is the pencil. You can also use, if you have like this, there is an eraser, there is a brush, and there is for your eyebrow, that black one, or if you have brown or gray, it's okay too. Or if you have a set of an eyeshadow, and there is color gray, you can actually use that using your eyebrow brush too. So luckily I have set of a brush, so I got this brush here. So how are you going to do that? As you can observe, why I do love contouring my eyebrow, because I have a thin, fine hair, and actually it's almost straight, which don't give the shape on my face I desire. So how are you going to do that? So I use this pencil because I used to do like this. So just draw line here. As you can observe at the top of your eyebrow, there is a fine hair that gives shape on your eyebrow. So if you are lucky actually, if you have that a bit curve here, because you just follow that line. But if you have really a straight one, so what you're going to do is do a line, a curve, just like that. Do not dip down the pencil because it does not look like nice if you have that thick eye pencil there. So just like that. So just make a curve on that middle and do this downward. So your eye pencil just be along with this line. Do not over make a line here because it's not that good to see. It's a bit too much long. It's not a bit awkward to see. And here, if you have fine here or you don't really have, you can actually brush or put a little bit brown or any color you want, black, brown, or you can brush that. You can use that like that and then brush it here. You can use that for you to have or to achieve a long curved eyebrow that give shape on your face, just like that. And then brush it. Just brush gentle. That's why I discourage to dip down your fingers so that you don't have a thick eye pencil mark on your eyebrow. So if you have that, it's a bit hard to mix or brush it nicely. So for me, I'm not yet contented on that shape. So I do love to use this brush and a color gray one. So I use that to get more shape eyebrow as I love to achieve. You just apply it in a thin one. What you do on the right side, definitely that's also what you're going to do on your left side. So as you can see, there is the eyebrow I contour and I will fix that later most, and there is my ideal. It is actually my normal eyebrow. So it's so far on the one I contour. So again, do the same. So mark line here, and then as you go along, go on upward on the find here, or if you don't have, just make a line that make sure eyebrow having a curve, and then slowly down it toward. Then after that, of course, you have to brush it down. So again, make sure that your both eyebrow are shaming the same shape. Because if not, so how do you look like that, right? So it's a bit awkward to see different shape. So brush, and again, if you have brush like this, so you can use that. Fix it. Just like that. You can fit some parts you don't have an eye powder brush to make it more beautiful. So that's it. If you also have like this, it's actually a good one because there is an eraser. So one part is to brush the color as you desired, and one part of this brush is the one you're going to use to erase some mess. So I don't make mess, so I no need to wipe the mess. So, like for example, I show you how to wipe that mess. So just dip your brush here to get that white color, and then just like for example, you have mess here, or you see it, so it will really wipe down the mess. Do not apply more or mass heavy because it's so more awkward to see. It's better to see it light because it's more look lively, and simple actually is best, right? Hope it will help you guys to contour your face, and definitely it will give you your face curve and look like lovely, right? See you, Ken. Bye bye.